Per Inside EVs, Fiat's iconic Panda evolves into a diverse range, including electric and hybrid models. Stellantis announces expansion at the 2024 Geneva Auto Show. The new Panda lineup will feature a city car, SUV, camper, pickup, and fastback. The first production model is set to launch in July 2024, with a new model each year until 2027. Main markets include Europe, South America, and the Middle East, with no current plans for a US launch. The vehicles will utilize a multi-energy platform aimed at affordability and sustainability, featuring recycled materials and bamboo fabrics. You are listening to Yuan News.